Hello friends, good afternoon everyone. I am fine. How are you? I hope you will be fine. Welcome back in my channel Dr. Satyendra Kumar. Dear friends, if you want this type of videos related to mathematics for higher level, then you need to subscribe, share and like my videos and my channel. Today we will discuss a problem of evolute of family of surface. Now problem is find the evolute of x to the power 2y3 plus y to the power 2y3 equal to a to the power 2y3. Okay, this is the important question. Answer: x square x to the power 2y3 plus y to the power 2y3 equal a to the power 2y3. Equation number first, whose parametric coordinate are x equal a cos cube theta, y equal a sin cube theta. If we put x is equal to a cos cube theta, then we get a to the power 2 by 3 into cos to the power 2. Where y is equal to a sin cube theta, we get a to the power 2 by 3 or sin square theta. Now a to the power 2 by 3 common, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to a to the power 2 by 3. Okay, therefore it is a parametric coordinate. Now differentiate dx is equal to minus k 3a cos square theta sin theta d theta. Now dy equal 3a sin square theta cos theta d theta. Therefore dy dx equal 3a sin square theta cos theta d theta upon minus 3a cos square theta sin theta d theta. D theta cancel by theta. 3a cancel by 3a. 1 sin power this sin and cos. Then we get minus sin theta upon cos theta, value of dy dx. Now we can write equation of normal line. Y minus y1 equal minus 1 upon dy dx into x minus x1. Now y minus y1, value of y1 a sin cube theta equal minus plus dy dx, that is cos theta upon sin theta into x minus a cos cube theta. Okay, now cross multiply sin theta, y sin theta minus a sin to the power 4 theta equal x cos theta minus a cos to the power 4 theta. Now x cos theta minus y sin theta, this is equal a cos to the power 4 theta minus sin to the power 4 theta. This equivalent to a cos to the power 2 theta minus sin square 2 theta into cos to the power 2 theta plus sin square 2 theta. This is the factorized cos to the power 4 minus sin to the power 4 theta. Okay, this is equal to 1. Now we can write x cos theta minus y sin theta equal a cos 2 theta. This is equation number first. Now theta is parameter and x or y is variable and a is constant. Now differentiation with respect to पैरामीटर थीटा माइनस एक्स साइन थीटा माइनस वाई कॉस थीटा दिस इक्वल टू माइनस 2a साइन 2 थीटा माइनस इज कॉमन एक्स साइन थीटा प्लस वाई कॉस थीटा इक्वल टू a साइन 2 थीटा. This is represented by equation number 2. Okay. Now solving equation number first and second, we get that is equation number first multiplied cos theta plus equation number second multiplied sin theta, and adding both equation, then y term is cancelled. Now x is common, cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. That is, we get x equal, now a is constant and common, we multiplied cos theta into cos 2 theta plus 2 sin theta into sin 2 theta. Okay, this is the equation number 3rd. Now we can calculate value of y only when equation number first multiplied by sin theta minus equation number 2 multiplied cos theta, then we get minus y is equal to a common sin theta cos 2 theta minus 2 cos theta into sin 2 theta. This is represented by equation number 4. Now we remove value of theta only when we can calculate here x, equation number 3 plus equation number 4, add and subtract. Now first add equation 3 plus equation 4, we get x minus y equal to a common, cos 2 theta common, adding first term both cos 2 theta common, now cos theta plus sin theta plus 2 common, now sin 2 theta is common, sin theta minus cos theta. Okay, that is x minus y equal a into, now here cos 2 theta is equal to cos square theta minus sin square theta, and cos theta plus sin theta as it, minus 2 sin 2 theta cos theta minus sin theta. Okay student, now factorize cos square theta minus sin square theta, now cos theta minus sin theta and cos theta plus sin theta. Now there cos theta minus sin theta is common here, a cos theta minus sin theta is common both term. Now here cos theta plus sin theta into cos theta plus sin theta, that is cos theta plus sin theta whole square minus 2 into 2 sin theta cos theta. This is equal to a cos theta minus sin theta. This is equal to cos square theta plus sin square theta whole square is open plus 2 sin theta cos theta minus 4 sin theta cos theta. is equal to a cos theta minus sin theta into now here cos square theta plus sin square theta minus 2 sin theta cos theta, that is cos theta minus sin theta whole square. Now we get x minus y equal a cos theta minus sin theta whole power 3. Okay, this is represented by equation number 5. Similarly, we can calculate x minus x plus y. Now x plus y, that is we get equation number 3 subtracted by equation number 4 subtracted by equation number 3. Now a is common, cos 2 theta is common, cos theta minus sin theta, okay, plus sin 2 sin theta is common, sin theta plus cos theta. Here we open cos 2 theta formula, cos square theta minus sin square theta into cos theta minus sin theta plus 4 sin theta cos theta. Now open the formula sin 2 theta, 2 sin theta cos theta, 2 is already, therefore 4 sin theta cos theta, and cos theta plus sin theta as it. Okay, now factorize cos square theta minus sin square theta is equal to cos theta plus sin theta into cos theta minus sin theta. Now cos theta plus sin theta is common here, therefore we get a into cos theta plus sin theta is common. Now cos theta minus sin theta whole square plus 4 sin theta cos theta. Okay, a cos theta plus sin theta, this is equal to cos square theta plus sin square theta minus 2 sin theta cos theta plus 4 sin theta cos theta. Okay, now this is equal to a cos theta plus sin theta. Now here cos square theta plus sin square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta, that is cos theta plus sin theta whole square. Now cos theta plus sin theta is 1 power here, therefore x plus y is equal to a cos theta plus sin theta whole power 3. This is represented by equation number 6. Now here from equation number 5 and 6, raising the power x minus y 2 by 3, and similarly raising the power x plus y 2 by 3, and both equation number 5 and 6. Therefore x plus y whole power 2 by 3 plus x minus y whole power 2 by 3. Okay, now from equation number 5 and 6 add by 2 by 3 power raising both sides. Okay, now a to the power 2 by 3 is common. Here cos theta plus sin theta whole square plus cos theta minus sin theta whole square. Okay, this is equal to a to the power 2 by 3. Now cos square theta plus sin square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta plus cos square theta plus sin square theta minus 2 sin theta cos theta bracket close. This term is cancelled by this. Now sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 plus sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Okay. This is equal to 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Implies x plus y whole power 2y3 plus x minus y whole power 2y3. This is equal to 2a to the power 2y3. Okay. This is the evolute of x to the power 2y3 plus y to the power 2y3 equal a to the power 2y3. Okay, student. Next problem. Find the evolute of 2xy equal to a square. This is a rectangular hyperbola. Rectangular hyperbola. Okay. Answer. 2xy equal to a square, that is xy equal to a square by 2, let c square. This is equation first, this is equation second. Then parametric points is ct comma c upon t. Okay. That is x is equal to ct, y equal to c upon t. Now differentiate dx is equal to c into 1 or dt dy is equal to minus c upon t square dt. That is dy upon dx equal minus c upon t square upon c is cancelled by this, dt cancelled by dt. This is equal to minus 1 upon c minus 1 upon t square. Equation of normal line at point ct comma c upon t, y minus y1 equal minus 1 upon dy dx into x minus x1, y minus c upon t equal plus t square x minus ct. Okay. Clear, student? Equation number 3. Where x, y is variable, c is constant and t is parameter. Now differentiate with respect to parameter. T 0 plus c upon t square equal 2t 2xt minus 3ct square. That is 2x equal 3ct plus c upon t cube. This is represented by equation number 4. Okay. Now we multiplied equation number 3 by 2, then we get equation number 3 multiplied by 2, we get 2y equal to 2y minus 2c upon t equal t square 2x minus 2ct. Now putting the value of 2x here from equation number 4, 2x 3ct plus c upon t cube minus 2ct. Okay. Now 2y is equal to 2c upon t plus ct cube plus c upon t. Now this is the add by this 2y equal to 3c upon t plus ct cube. This is represented by equation number 5. Okay. Now we add equation number 4 and 5. Then we get equation 4 plus equation number 5. 2 common x plus y equal 3ct plus c upon t cube plus 3c upon t plus ct cube. Okay. That is 2x plus y equal c into t plus 1 upon t whole cube. This is equation number 6. Similarly, from equation number 4 minus equation number 5. Then we get 2x minus y equal to c into 1 upon t minus t whole cube represented by equation number 7. Now we get equation number 5 raising the power 2 by 3 and subtracted by from equation number 7 raising the power 2 by 3 and subtracted 2 by 3 and subtracted the by raising, after raising the power 2 by 3 in equation number 6, then we get 2 to the power 2 by 3 whole power x plus y whole power 2 by 3 minus x minus y whole power 2 by 3. Then we get x to the power 2 by 3 is common, t plus 1 upon t whole cube whole square, whole power 2 by 3, 3 is cancelled by 3, then we get only t plus 1 upon t whole power 2 minus 1 upon t minus t whole power 2. Okay. Now we get c to the power 2 by 3. Now t square 1 upon t square plus 2 minus 1 upon t square plus t square minus 2 bracket close, first and second term cancel by. Now minus minus plus, this is equal to 4 c to the power 2 by 3. Okay. Now c square equal to, the value of c square is equal to a square by 2. This is equal to 4. Now c square whole power 1 by 3 is equal to 4, value of c square a square by 2 whole power 1 by 3. Okay. This is equal to 2 power 2 a to the power 2 by 3 or 2 to the power 1 by 3. This is equal to x plus y whole power 2 by 3 minus x minus y whole power 2 by 3. 2 to the power 2 by 3 in this. Okay. The power is in denominator. Now to the power 1 by 3 into 2 by 3, this is equal to 2 and 2 is cancelled by this 2. This is equal to 2 a to the power 2 by 3. That is x plus y whole power 2 by 3 minus x minus y whole power 2 by 3. This is equal to 2 a to the power 2 by 3. This is the required equation of evaluate of the given rectangular hyperbola. Okay, student.